for shit. We got the chips. Pull up and dip. Water clear. She gon' stare. This ain't fair. Bitch beware. Give a fuck about a beat. Living lovely. She's lovely.
I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with you.
I'll have one girl come out the door, so when the song starts, you'll come out.
Oh, so that'll be.
Yeah, come out the door, then boom, and then you know what? That'll actually be fun if all of y'all came out the door.
Oh yeah, facts. Instead of coming out from the
Yeah,
side.
but y'all just gotta make sure y'all be careful.
Okay.
Y'all walking down these stairs just so y'all can see.
Alright guys, that was a quick rehearsal. We don't really have to do much. We literally just have to
Look cute.
For Sarah? Yeah. Okay guys, I think we're gonna do it for you. How are you gonna do your hair?
I'm probably gonna leave it out. Should I do a braid?
We could.
We could low-key twist.
Like twins?
Okay, I need to figure out my outfit.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt.
Look at that selfie stick. How'd you like the show?
I love the show. It was very creative. The vibes was there. Everything was superb. And we were in it, so.
Facts. I wish I got the part when we were walking in it.
That, someone got photos. Someone had to get photos.
We just have to.
Here at 8, okay?
I want to tell you guys, we were up on that stage. Okay guys, we just went to dinner, and now we're gonna do a photo booth.
Photo booth, nice guys.
So cute.
That was so cute.
Me, Lola, Max, Silky, Adapts, and his date are gonna do a little paint and sip. I already know it's gonna be a great time. This is what the fit is giving today. I have this white top. It's kind of like a halter top, but it has this thick strap right here. It's super cute. And then I just have some jeans on and some heels, even though I don't have my toes done, but I just want to wear heels so I don't feel like a little boy. I'm gonna try to get some behind the scenes for my viewers, but for those who are watching live, I'll see you guys soon.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
I'm gonna make a heart.
You gonna make a heart? I don't think that's hard. What's that? Hey Sarah, what's that?
What do you think it looks like?
Okay, how much cookies did you put in there?
Like 6?
6? Alright, so I need like one more.
What of these shit is burnt?
300 pounds. That's a lot. I'm not gonna lie, that's a lot.
3, 2, 1. What is that, Sarah?
Camera.
Oh, that is her camera, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Does your name start with Sarah? No. It's your camera. It's like a little gimbal.
Yeah.
That shit fire.
Cool. I had the same thing. You never said it was
I'm not gonna lie, you don't even make videos or stream. So how's that possible? Ah, damn.
Stop doing that shit, bro. Stop doing that shit. You trying to gas and shit. I'm not doing it with this nigga.
No, we don't got time. I'm not gonna lie. It's like we got to leave in like 15 minutes.
What?
To where?
Nah, dad.
What, nigga?
To where?
So I can do my shit? Actually, Mess could come here.
I'm pretty good.
What you think?
It's different because y'all.
Chat, say hi to the vlog.
What y'all use? You guys
We use salted butter.
Oh, you mean a Pam. I thought you said the Pam.
Y'all use the Pam. It tastes a little bit different.
Wow. You want
You want to try that?
What?
Wait, you want to try that?
Try what? That one. You want it?
How much percentage does it got? Like, I'm not trying to really do crazy. Like,
Alright, you ready? I'm about to do that. I'm about to just.
Are you okay?
3, 2, 1.
Nah, I just said it because I felt like I was about to come.
Okay.
Fuck, man. Don't worry. I feel good. I'm just laying down.
Ready?
Wait, can I see the example one more time?
This is the easy
Alright,
one.
who ready? Who want to dance next?
Alright,
chat. Here we go. It's a TikTok segment. Yeah. Hold on, wait. I got.
We're making TikToks.
Oh, I got you. Let me get y'all like this. Alright, both of y'all?
Okay, ready?
Alright, let's do it. Hold on. 3.
Oh wait, I didn't hear it.
Alright, let me do it.
Say 3, 2, 1.
I got you. It don't even look like it's broken.
Lola said our cookies look like butts.
They look like heart butts.
Heart butts.
Like a BBL heart. Let me take a picture.
Where's the spatula?
oh, in here. I don't know. Yeah. I go with you. Wait, hang on now. Shouldn't we try to use something that doesn't have holes, low key?
Where's the blue one that we had?
I think this like stuck together.
Let me see. Oh, wait, let's use this one.
The one you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, let me do mine. Let me not touch this.
Here we go.
I think we need to use the other.
Nah, low key, we should use
one.
yours. You was right. You was right. I was so wrong.
Are you ready? No. I'm blowing it up. We were in. They're actually saying they need more clips for the next Sarah and Silky.
Oh yeah, we can do a TikTok. Yeah, come on. Let me send myself. Oh, my phone about to die.
Oh wait, I got one. I'm not fully charged. I'll send it to you. What I want to do? Hold on. I got it actually. My phone's fully charged. What's that called, Christiana? That song for that TikTok? Where I can show them. Cause his phone's about.
No, I ain't lie. I can do it against you.
Me hollow.
It's raining outside.
Yeah, it is. You want to go out there?
No. I'm trying to like hone my senses so I could like when you stop using your other senses, the other ones get better type shit. So I'm gonna stop breathing, but stop talking. I'm gonna close my eye. Somebody showering.
It's raining.
Nah, it's not raining. Somebody showering.
No, it's raining.
You wanna go outside right now? Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, look at it.
I think I fell in love with a thought.
Nah,
It's all holding your
it's starting to pour harder.
It is.
Am I bugging?
I think I'm busting on what night.
Most people help
I
though,
think I'm
like.
busting on what night. Tryna get the fucking on what
I
night.
have FOMO. I want to
Busting
go.
on what
FOMO?
night. Tryna have you cussing on what night.
What is that?
I'm tripping on the
You're
yachts.
missing out.
I'm tripping.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. Today is so exciting because we're gonna go to Rolling Loud today. I just finished my hair and makeup and now I need to pick out an outfit. I feel like I have this one planned out, but I don't know if it's gonna be cold today or if it's gonna rain, but honestly, who cares? You know what I mean? As long as I look cute. Okay, I'm also probably gonna wear this fur coat and these boots. I'm currently wearing jeans with this. I'm gonna show you guys the whole fit in the mirror. This is what we have so far. I feel like I need some necklaces. I don't know. Should I do like a lot of jewelry? I have these bracelets on right now, but I feel like I just need something long right here. So it's covering me up a little bit. Inside of Rolling Loud. We're currently waiting for everybody. We're about to head over to a loud club. All the girls look so beautiful. super nice. The staff is super nice. And they also have some accessories that they're giving out. So yeah, I love it. We made it to the Loud Club. I got my Red Bull and my Jiffy. I think it's
Put your fours in the air for me, please.
Ski Mask, I believe. It's
You can drop that shit, DJ.
but that's the stage right there.
My last show clipped up, my friends do stick up. This guy, you can't decide, I'm a king side. I ain't no cold, I ain't no drink, I ain't no